Meet the iPhone 16 Pro Max, Apple's boldest leap yet. With a gargantuan 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR display, titanium build, and the groundbreaking A18 Pro chip, this phone redefines what's possible in a smartphone. Let's talk first impressions. This beast packs a 6.9-inch display, the largest ever on an iPhone. Edgeless, vibrant, and perfect for watching, gaming, and creating. Wrapped in grade 5 titanium, it's remarkably strong yet feather-light. For stunning finish, desert, natural, white, and black titanium make it as stylish as it is tough. Under the hood, the A18 Pro chip, delivering elite speed while keeping battery life long. Whether it's high-end gaming or multitasking, this thing flies. Speaking of endurance, Apple promises up to 33 hours of video playback that's marathon-level battery power. This camera setup, next level. You've got a 48MP Fusion Wide, 48MP Ultra Wide, and a 12MP periscope telephoto lens plus a LiDAR scanner for depth precision. Feature highlights include 4K at 120 FPS Dolby Vision and the new camera control button, quick access to zoom, depth, and more. What's Apple Intelligence? It's your smart assistant baked right into the OS through writing text, summarizing, even leveraging visual intelligence with a tap via the camera control button. In Tom's Guide's mid-2025 roundup, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is crowned the best iPhone yet, praised for display, camera, and battery excellence. Compared to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, the 16 Pro Max triumphs for single-core speed, iOS perks, and ecosystem synergy, though the S25 holds its own in multitasking and camera versatility. iPhone 16 Pro Max isn't just powerful, it's a statement. If you're all in on Apple Intelligence, battery life, and cinematic content, this is your flagship. Want a deeper comparison or camera samples? Hit that like and subscribe, more content coming your way. Thanks for watching, stay tuned, stay creative, and keep it maximized.